This is your 5-minute guide on how to create a barber jacket bellow pocket. So I start by creating the shape of the bellow pocket, so just a square. Then you bevel the edges to whatever measurement you want. Make sure they're the same both sides. I create a center point to the pocket. Now what I'm going to do is create the bottom edge of the pocket flap and then the top edge seam allowance. Select that panel and layer over, and then cut and sew those seams of the outside of the pocket. Delete the outer bit and then do it again for the pocket, and then cut the bottom edge of the pocket flap. This way you have all the panels in place. Okay, so I've lowered the top edge of the front pocket panel 20 centimeters, and I'm stitching the top edge of the pocket flap to the body. Now I'm getting the measurement of the edge of the front panel, and I'm creating the bellow panel that gives it that 3D volume. Okay, now stitch this edge to the front panel, and then the bottom edge to the body. And then you just need to arrange that as close as you possibly can, and then simulate. Looks good, but it's not perfect. So what we need to do now is arrange all of the folds. Okay, so I'm changing the angle of this part, and then also changing the stitch angle of the blue line. And that pushes everything down and flat. Change the particle distance down to 5. And those little corners just need nudged in. Perfect. You can see the flap is just falling down into the correct space. I changed the thickness of the top pocket flap to 2, and then the lower panels to 1. Okay, now for the top stitch, I'm going to use a 2mm edge stitch and a 0mm on the top of the pocket flap. I'm going to apply the puckering. This is just a standard cotton. And now these little boxes are just so I know how to place the melt snaps. Perfect. Just need to adjust the thread length to -2, so it pushes them back into the pocket a little bit, so they're not standing off too far. And that's it. Time for rendering. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. More videos like this will be coming shortly. Cheers, bye.